Good morning to all of my iPhone users out there. Today I will show you how to enable or disable your cellular data on iPhone. This is super helpful if you're trying to make sure that you don't use your cellular data and stick to Wi-Fi. Make sure it doesn't connect automatically. All you're going to do is open your settings app and you will see an option called Cellular that's about 4 down. It has that little green icon that's right next to it. And you will see right at the top there under this menu option that there is an option for cellular data. It was originally switched on to green. All you have to do is tap it and it will switch off. Once it shows that little white to gray setting, you will know that cellular data is off and you won't be able to connect unless you have Wi-Fi. There are a few different options here that you could kind of run through them if you need it. You could also check out your usage as far as how many gigabytes you've used this month on data. You could see that option 4 options down next to usage. I've used 6 gigabytes. However, I do have unlimited data at my access, and that is why it is listed as unlimited. It's pretty simple to do. You could turn the cellular data on and off. Make sure that you don't connect to the Wi-Fi and don't use any of your cellular data. Or if you previously had trouble connecting to the internet, you might want to check if your cellular data is accidentally disabled. That way you could simply just enable it. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you did find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.